Okay, let's do Control 1 and turn off the grid. So I think this is a good stage to just take a step back and look at the overall proportions and the design and try to get this exactly how we want it before committing into, making all the little details and locking down the geometry more and more. So the benefit of this stage is we still have very simple shapes, so we can adjust really easily. So maybe this is too high, or this is too thick, or I don't know. Just this is the best time to make these changes, because down the line it just gets harder and harder to mess with it. Another thing you can do to help you evaluate your model is go up to System, Preferences, and just change the field of view. So if I look in my OpenGL display, I have a flatness of perspective here, so that lets you adjust your field of view. I'm gonna do like 35 or so. Alright, let's grab this part here and Shift H, move this up. I'm gonna get rid of this backspace, and let's see. Okay, let's pick this part, L for loop, Alt C, and I'm gonna scale this loop, the new loop, in to make a big cut there. Alright. I'm gonna draw a line over here, going down, using C. Press C once, C again, and then connect here to here. And I'll get rid of this one. Backspace. I want the whole thing here. So bevel. Let's scale this flat, move it, and grab these top ones using up arrow, 1, 2, up arrow, scale flat, and let's do the same thing. 1, 2, up arrow, scale flat. Okay. Okay, U for unhide, and I'm gonna move this out a little bit so there's some space between here. Maybe grab this, move it. Okay, so let's add in some bevels to make this curved. But before I do that, I want to save this shape while it's still low poly, or it's still simple. So let me copy this, click on my trash layer, paste, and then go back to my body layer. So there's my copy on the trash. I don't have to worry about it anymore. And then let's bevel this one. And bevel these. And then bevel these. Before I do that, let me Let me move this. Oops, bevel. Okay, and then just watch out for this stuff down here, but I think it's okay because we won't be looking in there that much. I'll do mesh cleanup because it looks like there's doubles here, so Q mesh cleanup, and that got rid of the doubles. Alright, let's pick this whole thing, M for material, and call it body, oops, body, and I'm gonna make it red, and then pick this L for loop, G to fill inside, M, and let's call this structure, and this can be gray. And I think all the rest of this stuff here, this can all be that gray structure. So structure, Alt 3 to grab the polygons, and let's call these structure as well. This can be body. And let me shift up arrow, delete that,